Hi and welcome to this video in which I'll show you how to get free Airfix kits by using the Flying Hours program. If you like the video and find it useful, why not subscribe to my channel to see builds I've already done and some future projects. You can even find a link to buy me a cup of coffee if you like. Anyway, on with the story. This morning a delivery arrived from Airfix, and inside the box was this very lovely kit. It's the 2021 tooling of the Bristol Beaufort, something I've wanted to build, but the best bit of all is it cost me nothing but a bit of postage. In fact, it's my first Flying Hours freebie. Now it's a Series 4 kit, as you can see from this number down here, and it normally costs £22 at the Airfix online store. But I got it for nothing because I collected up my Flying Hours. So, how does this work? The first thing to mention is that to benefit from this program you need to be a member of the Airfix Club. Now the club costs £25 per year. Included in that is a free kit. In 2022 it's a 2-pack of Hawk T1 jets in their first and last deliveries from 1974 and 2019. Last year I sold my special edition Nakajima Kate for about 20 quid online, so that was most of my membership got back in one. You also get a magazine 3 times a year. If you live outside the UK, however, this is a digital copy only. But then it gets even better because you get a 10% discount at the Airfix online store. So spend £250 in a year and you've got your money back. Now, this doesn't apply to things like starter sets, but it is a good saving on a lot of these kits. Until the end of November 2021, you get 20% off, so even better. If I'd waited until now to buy this stash, I'd have saved a pretty penny. Now, along with everything else you get this club passport, and this is where you store your Flying Hours. The tokens are on the side of each box. Now, for example, this is a 3-hour flying token from a Lancaster pack. Now, just cut them out and stick them into your passport. When you've collected enough, and exactly enough by the way, don't send too many, they won't return extras, send them to Airfix. Now they say to include £5.95 for postage, but I couldn't find my checkbook, so I put my phone number on the front, they called me, and it only cost £2.95 for regular post. When you start collecting these tokens, you'll notice the number of Flying Hours you get depends roughly on the cost of the kit. All the starter kits in the current range have 1 Flying Hour each. Now these kits range between about £11 to about £22. Other kits that have 1 Flying Hour include 1/72nd scale fighters and 1/72nd or 1/76th armoured vehicles. For slightly larger kits, such as medium-sized aircraft in 1/72nd, single-seat fighters in 1/48th, and vehicles such as the RAF resupply set, you get 2 Flying Hours. These kits typically cost between £22 and £30. 3 Flying Hours are on boxes of kits such as the larger 1/72nd models, maybe the Lancaster for example, and 1/48th scale fighters such as the brand new Vampire. You also get 3 hours for the 1/35th scale tanks. These kits fall in the range between about £30 and £50. The largest 1/72nd scale models like this mighty Vulcan and kits such as the 1/24th scale Hurricane come with 4 hours each. These typically cost sort of £55 to £65. Finally, if you've gone all out and bought a 24th scale Typhoon or Hellcat, you'll get 6 hours for each of these. So, now you've collected your Flying Hours, what do you get for them? So for 16 Flying Hours, you can get a Series 1 or Series 2 kit, like this 1/72nd Spitfire 5C. For 30 Flying Hours, you can get a Series 3 or 4 kit, like the new tool Bristol Beaufort I got this morning. If you have 40 Flying Hours, you can swap them for a Series 5 or 6 kit, like the beautiful 1/72nd Buccaneer in either Fleet Air Arm or Royal Air Force guise. And for 60 Flying Hours, you can get a kit from Series 7, 8 or 9, including the superb 1/48 jet fighters like this Hunter F6. So that's how it all works. It's really simple. Now if you make a lot of Airfix kits, it's well worth joining the club and collecting flying hours. Best of all, they don't run out, so you can still use the ones you might find on older kits, perhaps those you've bought second hand. Now if you've enjoyed this video and found it useful and informative, then why not subscribe to my channel, where you can see build videos I've already made and catch new projects as they're released. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.